Good morning, good people. It's me again, Wanda, back out here walking and talking while I get these 15 minutes of walking completed once again, and once again, much needed today. So, today is Technology Thursday. Do you have a job that could possibly be replaced by technology of some type? Hopefully not. Yes, it's a thing, and it's been a thing for a while. So we really have to think about our jobs and how it may look in the future, 3, 5, 7, 10 years out. I went to a thrift store the other day, and yes, they had self-checkout counters. They only had 2 humans working a cash register. A thrift store, y'all. We've already seen it with McDonald's, the Wawa. There's probably other places that I haven't been to that have self-checkout kiosks. Is that a word? But nonetheless, you know what I mean. So please review and think about long-term out whether your job can be replaced by technology of some type or offshore, which is something that happened way back probably beginning in the 70s. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a great day at work. Take care. Bye-bye.